It's nice to have you. You're part of our debate panel. And again, full disclosure, she's supposed to be a little box, but since the camera out there died, now we're on a 2-shot. So value added. Jordan, why do you think Daryl Brewer came all the way down here, was sitting in a hotel a block away, where we're staying, we saw him, and they didn't call him to come over to testify?
Well, really, what I think is that Jodi is going to throw us all for a bit of a loop tomorrow. And she's going to get up and she's going to ask that she be given the death penalty, just as she said in that jailhouse interview. And I think that her defense attorneys are in a bit of conflict, because if they put up any witnesses, those witnesses are going to be pleading to save her because she's a good person or what have you. Where's her mom? Where's Daryl? Where's this other woman? And if they put those people up, that's directly contrary to what their client may say tomorrow. And that's a problem for them. They can't do that.
Well, sure they can. I think they can say, here's what I'd say, okay? I'd say, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, our client is sick in the head. She is very ill. We've heard many different diagnoses over the course of this very long-running trial, from PTSD to battered women syndrome to borderline personality disorder to bipolar. And you know what? There's a lot of overlapping symptoms. But the bottom line is, ever since she was a kid, she was very sick. We learned more about this as the case progressed, as we got to know our client. We cannot control our client, just like her mother couldn't control her. And, you know, she is sick. But this mitigator never got out there. I'm not saying it justifies her behavior, but it could cause someone to say, well, maybe she's not entirely